Yeah, but how's he pitch?
Here's which one. This. He picked a big wheel on the Brewers, okay?
And Albert Pujols?
No, on the Brewers.
Oh, the Brewers when he
And
was.
the Yankees.
Oh, that's right. And the Yankees. You're right on the Brewers. You're right on the Brewers and the
I
Yankees.
pick a wheel on the
That's right. Victor.
Phillies.
That's right. Oh, that was a nice pitch. Good job, Sabathia.
This just like a big wheel.
What happens?
Here. Where's wheel? A big basket.
Nice. Woo!
The Barons.
What happened?
I think they were, a ball back.
He gave the ball back?
Yeah.
Who did? The fans did?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it was a real swim.
Yeah, and yeah, that's a good point. And then it was
I caught it.
They caught it?
No, I caught it.
Nice.
Gah!
All right, who's up now? Who's after Victorino, Sabathia? I think Sabathia got benched for that.
Howard.
Howard? Howard's up? That's right. Maybe Howard was up. Goofy. You doing the goofy move? I saw that. All right, do Sabathia. Nice pitch. Can you back up a little bit?
Bye.
So I have more time to catch your pitches? Because you're throwing fastballs. I need more time. You pitch so. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Nice. See, I have more time to catch them now.
I caught it.
Yeah, you did. I saw that. You always catch it.
Ball.
In the dirt.
That was
That could have been a strike.
a double.
Yeah, that was a double.
Howard got a double.
Howard got a double off Sabathia?
No, next door, Howard.
Yeah.
Say that to her.
Chase Utley's up.
Boom! I put back ball.
And what happened?
She hit it.
Chase Utley hit it?
And she had grand slam.
Chase Utley got a grand slam too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
Did you ever get a double grand slam?
yeah, never. Like, think of me. I know you get grand slam. All grams. Double grand slam. This grand slam.
You're funny. You made up that term, double grand slam. Nice.
Oh, that's gross.
Nice.
This is dirty. I think he said, take auntie. Oh, take us the greatest way. Now you're home.
He got home?
Think, now it's Hard's turn now.
Now it's Howard's turn?
Yeah, I think Hard did this time.
Yeah.
Grand Slam too.
Oh my gosh, 3 grand slams in one game?
Oh, yeah, Grand Slam too.
Oh my gosh, 3 grand slams? Off of who? Off of Sabathia?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Think we take that too. That's really Grand Slam. I didn't know that.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody think, hey, Grand Slam.
Yeah, everyone's hitting them.
Yeah.
Julian, baby, Ruth!
Garcia.
Sabathia.
Yay for Garcia.
Yay for Sabathia. We like when he pitches, right? Victorino always, yeah. Yay for Sabathia.
Yay for classes.
Nice. That'll be a good video.
I caught it.
You did catch it. Nice. Oh, right back at you.